You guys are looking at all the fresh ingredients we're going to be using today for our rice wraps. Hi, I'm Chef Andrea. Welcome back to our mini cooking series. Today we're going to be making a Vietnamese style rice wrap. So the ingredients we have are poached shrimp, our rice wrappers, we have vermicelli noodles that I cooked and cooled, we have butter lettuce, some Julienne mango, cucumber, green onion, red pepper, celery, some mint leaves, and some carrots. And for the sauce, all you're going to need is soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, canola oil, lime juice, and a little bit of chili flakes. So we're going to start off by making our sauce. So we're just going to put a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of rice wine vinegar, our sesame oil and canola oil, our lime juice, and our chili flakes. And we're going to mix that all up. And there, the sauce is done already. So now we're going to start with our rice wrap. So you're going to need some warm water in a bowl, and we're just going to put our wrapper right in there to soften. And we're going to lay it out on a clean towel. That way it won't break when we're rolling it, and it'll have something to grip on that's not steel. Now that it's soft enough, we're going to take it out and try not to get it to stick together. And we're just going to lay it out on our clean towel. And make sure all of our edges are out for a perfect rolling technique. Then we're going to start by putting our butter lettuce right on the inside. If it does have a hard ridge, you can take that out. It might make it a little hard to roll if it's in there. So just add that first. Then we're going to start with mango. This is just an El Tufo mango. And then some English cucumber. You can add zucchini or really any other vegetable you would like. These rice wraps are good with anything. Some green onion and red pepper, celery, carrots. We're going to have a lot of flavor in this wrap. And then we're going to add our mint leaves. So mint and mango in a wrap is one of the best things ever. It is very popular in Vietnam. I think I said that right. All right, and then once your mint is in, we're going to add our shrimp. So these are just black tiger shrimp. I poached them with lemon, black peppercorns, and some parsley sprigs. There, now we got our shrimp in there. And we're going to add our vermicelli noodles next. Just like that. Now the hard part is the rolling. So just like a burrito, we're going to put the edges over like that. And we don't want that to stick out because it could poke through our wrap. And then we're going to tightly fold the top over and pull it in, just like that. Careful not to rip anything. And then we're going to fold it all the way over. And there we have it, our first rice wrap. And we're just going to put it on the cutting board. I'm Chef Andrea. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.